Real Agriculture's coverage of the 2023 Canada's Outdoor Farm Show is brought to you by Pride Seeds. Discover the power of performance. Find out more by going to prideseeds.com.
Bernard Tobin at Canada's Outdoor Farm Show. I am back at the Kubota booth catching up with Jeff Fuller. Jeff, how's it going?
It's a great day here at Canada's Outdoor Farm Show, and we welcome you to the booth.
Now, Jeff, you're a Kubota guy, and you're standing in front of a Great Plains Terra-Max. Hey, talk about the relationship here.
Yeah, so Great Plains was actually acquired by Kubota a number of years back, and they're part of the Kubota family now and available exclusively at your local Kubota dealer.
Now, talk about this Terra-Max. How many models are, and what's the range?
Yeah, so the one that we have here today is actually a 15-foot model, and we do models all the way from 10 feet up to 45 feet.
Right. Now, talk about where it fits, from a cropping operations perspective in farms across Canada, from Ontario out west.
Yeah, well, with such a wide range of sizes, we can sort of fit any farm. These are great tools for residue management, for seedbed preparation, and also for moisture management, which is, I know, a problem out in Western Canada.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, talk about versatility. I mean, that's part of the versatility, but these machines can do a lot of things on a lot of different farms.
Yeah, so what we have here with the turbo speed blades and with the offset of the gang angles, they can get that residue down to a very small size. And we also have a wide range of attachments that can go on the back that will sort of fit any cropping system.
Hey, tell me a little bit more about the technology here. I mean, you have an implement control system as well, right?
Yeah, that's right. So we actually have an implement command system that we can install on any Turbo-Max and Terra-Max. And what that allows you to do is the operator actually has all those controls to adjust in the field during operation from the actual tractor cab.
Hey, talk about seeding options here. Obviously, we've got a seeder up there. From a cover crop perspective, from a forage perspective.
Yeah, so on the Turbo-Max and Terra-Max, we can actually also install an optional turbo seeder, which allows you to put down any cover crops you want if that's part of your cropping system, or it's actually a great tool for putting down forages too.
Yeah. Hey, final question, Jeff, and that is about availability. I know we saw a lot of the larger models last year. What about the smaller models, and when are we going to see those?
Yeah, so these new small models, 10, 12, and 15 foot, will be sort of arriving at dealers this spring in time for spring seeding.
Hey, Jeff, appreciate you making time for Real Agriculture. Thanks for stopping by.
Great. Thanks, Bernard.